How's it going, guys? Lockpick and Coal Miner here. I was going to try to enter a giveaway for Georgia Jim, show him some support. Hashtag pick for Jim. If y'all ain't checked him out, y'all need to go check him out. He's giving away some pretty good stuff. So let's see if I can get a lock open for you. I believe you can pick any lock. So I ain't picked this one on camera. Master Lock Pro Series, what is it, 68 to 41. I've changed the core out to a best core, so it comes out. If it takes too long, I'll trade locks and go to another one. So see if we can get it picked to control or open. Hopefully try to use this new pick I made at the beginning of the week. See if it'll fit in this little keyway. I believe it's in 20 thousandths. So let's try it and see. Try to hurry so it don't take so long. 2, 1. Little click on one. See if I can get another click. There's 4. Back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got it picked to control, I believe. Hopefully that'll qualify. If it don't, let me know. Let me go ahead and open it. So there it is, guys. So if y'all ain't checked out Georgia Jim, y'all need to go check him out. I'll leave it in the description. So hope everybody's doing all right. Thanks, guys.